Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I am going to be drawing an acorn as well as painting one. And this is part of the open collab hosted by Martha at Martha Makes Art. And I believe the hashtag is hashtag make art with Martha. I know she has a couple of different collabs, but this is the one where for, I believe it's October, November, the prompts were harvest and acorn, and you can do one, you could do both. So I'm going to paint an acorn, and I have here my Master's Touch. You've seen this before in some previous videos, the watercolor pan. And I am also, so I'm going to be doing a watercolor of that, and then I'm going to be drawing a sketch with my Faber-Castell water-soluble pencils, graphite pencils. And this brush came with a set, so I only used this particular brush with these pencils. So first I want to do the watercolor, and then I'm going to be doing the black and white or the graphite sketch and dissolve that, and we'll see what it turns out to be. So I think the first thing I'm going to do with watercolor, I usually like to use watercolor pencils to draw it so that I don't have like a harsh line. So I'm going to use the Faber-Castell HB. Even though it's graphite, it's a very light pencil. So HB, I think it stands for hard black, but then like the 2B, so the B's get softer and the H's are harder. So I'm going to go ahead and just start with a sketch. I'm just going to draw the cap. Maybe like this. It's very windy outside. We're expecting some rain, so hopefully we will get that. So just a light little sketch here of an acorn, that cap. And now let me see if I can come a little bit closer, perhaps, so that might help. It's right there. This lamp that I have has a warm tone to it. My light, the cord broke, so need to get one of those. Okay, let me get my, I'm going to use this here. I have a cup of water, I have my rag, and I think what I'm going to do first is just wet this like that, and then I'm going to use, let's see, I think I'll start off with this. I probably should have what the colors are, but it looks good enough. And I'll put that in for the cap. So this is a wet on wet. And maybe with this might be a burnt sienna or a raw sienna. And I'm going to put some of that in here for that base of the acorn. And maybe just go ahead and let that dry a little bit. And as that's drying, I'm going to start to draw the other acorn here. So this is a 2B. So again, the same thing, just the cap. And then the acorn itself, or at least a seed, I'm not sure what they're called. So got that. And I think I'm going to now, let's see, this is a 4B. So again, I haven't done this before, so we'll just see how this turns out. So I'm just going to pencil this all in. And I think I'm going to go back to the 2B, which is a little bit lighter, and maybe up here. So with these pencils, if you need to erase them before you wet them, you can do that. But once they're wet, once the water has been added and it's dissolved, it sort of stains the paper. All right, so I'm going to get now the brush, which came with the set, and Just going to add a little bit of water, and you can see how that starts to dissolve. That's what I love about these pencils. Now this sketchbook is the Master's Touch watercolor sketchbook, and it's kind of odd because on one side it's rough, on the other side it's smoother. I think it's just the way the paper probably is pressed. So this is the rougher side. So there's more texture to it. All right, so I've got that going on. And I think I'm going to, there's like a little pool of water. I'm just going to dab at that a little bit just to lift that up. And let's see about going back to it. So I'm going to grab a little bit more of this color here and add it to the side. Then here a little bit. I'm going to grab a little bit more of this top color just to intensify that a little bit more. Just get that blended in. Okay, now I'm going to come back to this one, and let's see. This is a 6B. So sort of the same thing. I'm going to pencil this in to make this a little bit darker here. With this set, it has the HB, the 2B, the 4B, the 6B, and the 8B. I do have another set of thicker pencils, water-soluble pencils that I believe are, I want to say it's 8, 10, and 12. So if I want really darker intensity. All right, I think I'm going to go to this smaller, finer brush just to, so I don't mind using my other watercolor brushes for the water soluble pencils, but the water brush that came with the set, I don't mix that with the watercolor. But I just wanted a finer tip for this, just to get it a little bit just have a little finer tip. Okay, and I might also want to, let me get, so this is the 8B, this is the darkest. Now there is a little bit of water on there, so it's still damp, so that's why it's really intense. And I also want to put, I think, a little bit of a darker shadow here, and maybe a little bit of that cross hatching here on the cap. You can see where it's damp, how it sort of dissolves that graphite. It's like that, and maybe just a little bit. More here, and then I'm going to grab that finer brush And you can see how dark that turns with that 8B once I dissolve it. Okay. And then maybe back here, I'm going to use the same fine brush, and maybe I'll go into this darker, a little bit drier, and I'll do the same here. Maybe just put some shadow. It's still damp, so it's sort of running. That's okay. I'll try to tap it on the towel to get rid of as much water and leave it more paint. This seems still a little bit cool to the touch, so it's probably damp as well, but I want to go ahead and put in those lines. I don't want to make this video too long. We'll put that shadow in there, and then probably those lines as well. Just doing some curves, and then I'll go back this way here. It's not a perfect acorn, but that's fine. There we go. And I think I want to put just a little bit more of this reddish brown here. Maybe I'll bring that across. Well, I'm liking this one better, but just wanted to leave a little bit of a highlight. I'm just going to tap a little bit of that red onto the cap. I'm going to just have this dry a little bit. Okay, it's a little bit drier, so I'm just putting in more of this dark brown just to give it a shadow. But I don't want to overplay it because I've already started to kind of like overdo it, but I'm going to leave it at this. So this is the rendition with the water-soluble graphite pencils, and then this is just watercolor. And maybe just a little bit of drop of water here just to get rid of that straight line or that hard edge. But that is it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.